Air France La Première is the luxurious first-class offering provided by Air France, the French flag carrier airline. La Première is renowned for its exceptional service, exclusive amenities, and truly indulgent travel experience. Passengers flying in Air France La Première enjoy a seamless and personalized travel experience right from the moment they arrive at the airport. Dedicated check-in counters and fast-track security clearance ensure a smooth start to their journey. La Première passengers also have access to luxurious lounges, offering a serene and sophisticated environment to relax and unwind before their flight. Your assigned personal escort, who picks you up at your arrival, takes you to your lounge for maximum hospitality, in their luxury French-style lounge, and so much food and drink to explore on the menu. After eating, there is a relaxation area to lay down and unwind before boarding. Before leaving, you have the option to write your feedback on your experience. The lounge has won so many awards in different categories from Skytrax. Air France La Première passengers get to be the last to board the aircraft, and you are driven to the aircraft to board by your personal assigned experience escort. Hi everyone, welcome to Exceptional Luxury. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell so you don't miss any videos. Moving on. You get welcomed by the pilots and crews. Your assigned personal escort makes sure you are seated and settled before bidding you goodbye. The interior of the La Première First Class is French style, obviously no golden element or features, it's just simple, classic, and French. Passengers in Air France La Première are pampered with exceptional services, including personalized assistance from dedicated cabin crew members who cater to their every need throughout the flight. The attentive crew ensures that passengers receive the highest level of service, from gourmet meals prepared by renowned chefs to an extensive selection of fine wines and champagne. Oh yeah, and you can eat and drink as much as you can. The cheapest way to purchase a La Première First Class is by first purchasing a business class and then upgrading to La Première. The seating in La Première is meticulously designed to offer ultimate comfort and relaxation. The seats can be transformed into fully flat beds, complete with a plush mattress and luxurious bedding, allowing passengers to enjoy a restful sleep during long-haul flights. Each suite is equipped with an array of amenities, including a personal entertainment system with a wide selection of movies, TV shows, and music. Air France La Première passengers also benefit from exclusive perks and privileges, such as priority boarding, enhanced baggage allowance, and access to dedicated immigration and customs services upon arrival. Additionally, passengers can enjoy seamless connections with Air France's extensive network of partner airlines, ensuring a smooth travel experience from start to finish. Air France La Première represents the epitome of luxury travel, combining exceptional service, exquisite amenities, and a truly indulgent experience. It is a testament to Air France's commitment to providing a premium and unforgettable journey for its most discerning passengers. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all things luxury. Let's embark on this unforgettable journey together.